back. My name is Miss Yulin and I'm part of the Boys and Girls Club of Metro Los Angeles. And today for Healthy Lifestyles, we're doing an activity all about the lungs. So you might be wondering, what are these? Well, these are paper bag lungs, and today you'll be making some of your own. So before we begin this activity, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you guys know how our lungs work? So our lungs are actually pretty important. They sit beneath our ribs and they help us breathe. Our bodies need oxygen to work, and our lungs supply that oxygen for us. So the lungs are kind of like balloons. So when you breathe in, they expand and they fill with air. But when you breathe out, they get rid of carbon dioxide, which is kind of like the waste product of our cells, and we don't want that in our bodies. So our lungs help us push out the carbon dioxide. So our lungs are pretty important, and we should take care of them so they can help us breathe easier. The materials you'll need are 2 paper bags, tape, 2 straws, and a black marker. We're going to begin by getting 1 paper bag first and using your black marker to draw out what is called an alveoli. You have alveoli in both of your lungs, and they are tiny air sacs in your lungs that take up the oxygen you breathe in and keep your body going. Make sure that you draw the alveoli pretty big so it takes up the entire space of the paper bag. And once you are done with one drawing, make sure you do the same onto the other paper bag. This is what it should look like when both paper bags are done. Make sure to label it left lung and right lung. Now that we're done with our drawings, we're going to open up our paper bag and we're going to put a straw inside of it. Make sure that a little bit of the straw is still peeking out. And then we're going to grab long pieces of tape and we're going to tape it around the paper bag. Make sure you do it tightly so no air can leak through. Here I used 3 pieces of long tape, but if you need to use more tape, you can. The goal is to make sure your bag is sealed tightly. When you are done taping one paper bag together, make sure you do the same to your second paper bag. We're doing this because we have 2 lungs, one on our left side and one on our right side. Now that we're done making our lungs, let's test them out. So you're going to place the 2 straws together and you're going to place it in your mouth and you're going to breathe in and breathe out. And you're going to watch your left lung and your right lung expand and close up. Okay, are you ready? Pretty cool, right? So did you guys learn anything new about our lungs today? I hope you gained a new understanding of how important our lungs actually are. They help us breathe easier, and we need them in order to survive. So I hope you guys had fun doing this activity, and I'll see you guys again next week for our next Healthy Lifestyles activity. Bye everyone!